Hello everyone and welcome to Numed Instruments. Today we are here to talk about a liposuction set of fat transfer. This set has combined fat transfer cannulas for face, breast and buttocks. I'm going to show you the usage, types, dimensions and shafts of all these cannula that are specially manufactured for using on face, breast and buttocks. This set you can use on all these three parts as informed before. So let's just move on to the specifications of this set. First of all, let me introduce you to these are 4 lower to lower fat transfer adapters. If you can just zoom on the adapters, it has 3 mm, 1.2 mm, 2.4 and 1.4. These are the 4 lower to lower fat transfer adapters for fat transfer from one syringe to another one with different size of fat transfer, as you can see mentioned on the adapters. They have these mentioned sized holes in them. Moving on to the cannula. The first cannula that we have is a 3-hole cannula. 3 mm is diameter of this cannula and 20 cm of shaft. If you can zoom in on the tip of this cannula, it has 3 holes. This one is used for fat transfer from buttocks or breast. This can be used for both procedures, as you can see the tip. Now we are moving ahead to the long injectors. We have 2 mm and 27 cm of fat injector with 1 hole. If you can look at the tip of the product and the size. Moving on, we have another fat injector. We have most of the cannulas in this set are for face. So for face we have injectors of different size. That is 2 mm and 50 cm shaft, 1 hole tip injector. This is a diagonal 3-hole cannula. It has the tip of the cannula has 3 different holes diagonally. It is 2.5 mm shaft diameter and 20 cm of shaft. Let me just show you how this cannula works. This can be used on any lower lux syringe in the world, and it can also be used on this handle for tubing connection and for suction. It can be used with normally used machines for liposuction. This cannula is used for tubing connection, and here you can use this cannula with this handle. Moving on. Again we have one injector, 2 mm, 20 cm. The before we had 27 cm and now we have 2 mm, 20 cm of fat injector. 1 hole micro tip fat injector. 1.5 mm is the diameter of this cannula and 10 cm is the shaft. This one has 3 mm and 20 cm of shaft length and diameter with 1 hole injector. 1.5 mm into 15 cm length and shaft of the cannula, and the tip diameter is 1.5 mm with 1 hole. Here is an infiltration cannula. That is a most important cannula in this set. This is an infiltration cannula. 3 mm is the shaft diameter and 20 cm is the shaft length of this cannula. If you can zoom in on the holes, you can see the size of the holes. That is 1.5 mm hole diameter. Okay, now is a turn for curved cannulas. These can be used on face and neck for fat injecting. So this cannula is 1.5 mm in the diameter and 1.5 mm into diameter and 5 cm is the shaft of this cannula. The tip of this cannula that is used for face, curved injector. This one is bayonet curved injector, 1.5 mm and 9 cm, 1 hole injector. These cannulas are specially designed to be used on face and neck. Curved injector again, 1 hole, 1.5 mm, 10 cm. This is curved and the previous cannula was bayonet. Okay, this one is special. This is a 12 spiral hole infiltration cannula. This cannula has 12 spiral holes for infiltration. If you can zoom in on the holes so that our viewers can see. It is 2 mm diameter and 15 cm of shaft. Here we have 2-hole cannula, liposuction cannula with 2 holes. Before we had 3 holes, and this is 2 holes. 3 holes and 2 holes cannulas are being used for fat harvesting or grafting on minor level. These are not aggressive ones, of course, because this is a fat transfer cannula, mainly for injection. This is again a big curved injector, 1 hole, that is 2 mm 20 cm of the shaft length and diameter. This one is curved. We have a 2 mm 20 cm straight and curved, both. We have 2 mm 15 cm straight. This is the last cannula in this set. So there are totally 16 cannulas we have in this entire set. Different cannulas with different purpose and uses. These are the accessories of this set that we have added. This one is 20 cc syringe snapper lock. You can use this to lock the syringe for 20 cc. This one is for 10 cc. Syringe snapper locks. We have 3 syringe caps, and we have crown adapter for syringes. We have for 20 cc, crown adapter for 60 cc, and for 10 cc. These are crown adapter for syringes. So this is the entire set of the liposuction cannula. We will show you the packing of the set as well. This is how our set will come packed. This packing is designed so that the cannula does not bend or break during the transport. Alright viewers, thank you for your time with Numed Instruments. We will come back again with another review of our videos and our instrument sets very soon. Until that time, please take care of yourself and be safe. Thank you for watching us.